All of our products are ISO and CE approved to support customers with superior quality. We use state-of-the-art test equipment to assure 100% quality control during the production process. Computerized fatigue test machines are used to examine the durability. The digital torque testing machine is used to inspect torque ranges. The multifunction test machine is used to detect air consumption, rotation speed, and impact times. The grinding efficiency tester checks the tool's horsepower.